Hey guys, what's happening? How to deposit USDT on Binance US. So open up Binance US app on your phone and hit Assets or Wallet on the bottom right. Okay. Inside, you're gonna see USDT. Hit it and press Add USDT, the yellow button at the bottom left. You have 4 options. You can receive via Binance Pay, P2P trading, buy directly from users, competitive pricing, local payment, buy with USD. Right? If you have a bank account, a debit card or credit card, just hit the last option. Enter the amount you want to buy in USDT and USD. Sorry. Okay, and you can pay with Skrill or AirTM or card, Apple Pay, Google Play, or Google Pay, excuse me. And then what you're gonna do, hit review order, right? You're gonna wait for a few moments and agree to the terms and conditions, right? And they're now gonna process my transaction, right? And verify the details and just go and add your own credit or debit card or bank transfer for that matter. So as you can see right here, 699364. That will take me to the payment option, right, where I'm gonna fill in my credentials. Right? I confirm, continue, follow along the on-screen instruction, verify, of course, that this is you who is making that transaction. So, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.